All right, so I've learned when doing screens that get a lot of use and doesn't have a metal piece across the center, folks tend to lean on these, especially if there's a closer on top, because it pushes against you. So I left this little, between 1/8 and 1/4 of an inch extra, because if you put pressure on it like this, it can pop it out from this right there. And if you really hit it hard, well, yes, it'll pull out from there, because this fiberglass mesh is really strong, but it won't hold up to anything pointy, but it'll hold up to pressure pretty good. But it's only held in by this little tiny spline here. And if you cut it totally flush right there, what happens is you don't have the complete wrap around the spline. And it's rubber and there's tension on this, so it could actually start just creeping and getting less of a grab with time. So like this, you get a really good grab, and in the future you could push it back in one more time if if you haven't put a hole in it, and if it just pops out, you could put it back in more easily.